Hello everyone, this is Pankuri Kumari. Now at time I'm going to show my CSS presentation. So this is my profile. So I want to show profile page CSS. So this is my profile CSS. I used here CSS project, so I made a CSS project here. So I want to see something about CSS. So CSS stand cascading style sheet. It is used to design and style HTML web pages. So with CSS we can change color, font, layout and spacing, background. So we use CSS to make a website beautiful, organized and responsible. So this is my HTML page. I applied here CSS. So basically I create HTML for the shortcut key, just like shift plus exclamation. So I create boiler point. So HTML is used for the base make structure on web page basic. So I create here boiler point. So exclamation shows the it's a fifth version of the HTML, and these are the boilerplate parts. So HTML language, head, meta, set, link, title. So I applied here CSS to I linked here CSS. So link real style sheet href hyperreference profile or CSS. So I linked here, and it's a header. Header can't be see on web page. So it's the header part, head part, body, everything right here under the body as you want. Just like my profile, it's a title, it means header, heading. And I used here nav, ul, navigation, unordered list, li, a tag, anchor tag, hrefs. It's I used here for all the links under to right here. So image tag, I send image source in link. So I used here, and also alt use for the if the user do not want can't visit. So I used to write this is my page, just like so h2 ul li. So as third I use for goals, and then last footer for the last bottom part footer. So for those thanks to so this is the universal select attribute for the using shift plus star. So we write here everything, we write here anything. So it's applied all the pages in universal selector. So padding, margin, I apply here. Text decoration, none. It means padding is the inner part of the page, and it maintain gaps inner parts, and margin is also outer part of the web page. It maintains the outer parts of the outer space of the page. If I do not use here padding, margin, so website keep by default. So I do not want any type of default in my page, that's why I said 000. So text decoration done. I do not want any type text on my page, just like boiler point. So for removing this, and then I applied CSS on the body. It's the element I used background color white, text align center. Text align means I want everything in the center, all the text in body text. So font family Arial. So I used here font family Arial. It means under the font just like font color, font size. So and margin 0, padding 0 also I set here, because I do not want any type margin, padding, any type space gap. And so I applied here h1 on the element CSS text align center all text in the center. That's why. Color dark blue, background color white. It's also attractive and looking good. That's why. Nav UL navigation on order list. So I used here display flags. It means it flags to it's move column to row. That's why I use display flags. Justify content space evenly. It means justify content evenly. Yes, for justify justify it center the items. It center the items horizontally within the flags container. It structures flags items to fill the container heights. And that's why I use justify content. And then I set here padding 10 pixel. So I want a little gap. That's why I set here. And then background color also blue. And then font size 40 pixel. I want to middle types of font, not too much small, not too much big. So that's why I use here 40 pixel. And then I tag, anchor tag, text decoration none. I do not want any type of text. So just like any boiler point, I do not want. That's why I set. And then I color set here white, font size 30 pixel. It means text font size 30 pixel. So middle. This is not too much big and not also too much small. So then image tag I shared. I applied here margin 10, not too much small, and border radius 10 pixel. I want to border in text so little dark. That I use border width 100 pixel. So breadth should be big now, just like it. And then height 70 pixel. Breadth is greater than height because it's looking like amazing. That's why. So H2 H3 here I also applied color green. So all the colors used just like sky blue, dark blue, white, then green is attractive on this ways. So and then text decoration none. I do not want any type of underline word. That's why I use text decoration none. So in the footer in the last I want to apply something just like on thank you. So text align center. I want to thank you in the middle on the base. So background color is also baby sky blue, and then color white, padding 100 pixel. Padding 100 pixel because thank you is the biggest on the page. That's why. So I'm just going to show you my real web page. So you can see here it's my profile page. It's looking good now. So this is my home page. It's my profile page. I used here my photo, personal detail, hobbies, goals. So I used here. So that's all about my CSS project presentation. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much.